Alright, so back at the house, home base. Victory red, like I said, run Nitto up front, Nitto in the rear, NT05Rs. That's a carbon fiber kit and performance side skirts. I had the front lip of theirs, but then the hit a raccoon or something and it wiped it out. I don't think that company is in business anymore. So I have Extreme Online Store front splitter. You can get it from Amazon or from their website. The carbon fibers, I think, is pretty good quality. Recently did a paint correction, ceramic coat on it. Here's the build: Mighty Mouse catch can, ECS Novi 6 rib 1500. Started off as an NA build, then went nitrous and now boost after I put the Ford internals on. And then you can see over there, I'll walk around, I got the flex shield sensor on there. It makes just under 900, hence the badges. I got these from 0FX2GV. You can find him on Facebook. Give a shout out to him. The car came with the black lenses. Here's my Extreme Online Store front splitter. Here's my flex shield sensor. Pfadt Tri-Y headers, catless X pipe. So when I'm not running E, this thing's pretty unbearable to be around. Can we see him? No. Recently did Doug Ripping Motorsports valved Bilstein shocks for this. Yep, you're not gonna be able to see him back there. It came with the Speedline 5-star chromes. I took them off, put the Centennial Cup. These are replica rims, and that's kind of my build. I bought this car in 2012. I always wanted a C6 Z06 as soon as they came out. Never could afford one, and then I finally positioned myself to be able to afford this guy. The lighting here is bad. Hopefully the camera adjusts. This is a 2015 C6 Z06. It's bone stock, stage 2.5 aero, 8-speed auto. Do some more videos on this. I've still got the run flats on it and everything. Like, this car is stock. My floor I got for Christmas to match the cars, and this car here, shark gray metallic. That car there, as I said, Victory red. I will put the camera down, do a it won't be a cold start because the car's warm, but just to give you a sense of how loud the car actually is, which is decently loud. Like I said, catless X pipe, and then the Pfadt Tri-Y 178 header. It's decently loud. Those are stock axle back on it with the bi-mode. I had the fuse pulled, so it's louder the better all the time. The motor was pulled. It was a team effort. All the labor was done by John Speed and Automotive out of Colorado Springs, and then the actual machining of the motor and everything was done by Geddes Racing Engines. I've tagged both of those guys in my Instagram as well. Both awesome dudes. Can't say highly enough about them. Love the car. It's an absolute blast. So let me pause this and then we'll get the startup.